The United States has donated a C-130 Hercules military transport aircraft to Botswana. This $30 million aircraft is part of the Excess Defense Articles program aiming to bolster Botswana's defense and humanitarian efforts. The C-130 Hercules is renowned for its versatility and reliability. This aircraft can transport substantial cargo and personnel over long distances, making it a game changer for Botswana and the Southern African Development Community. With this donation, Botswana can better respond to humanitarian crises, peacekeeping missions, and potential security threats. The timing of this handover aligns with the African Defense Chiefs Conference, highlighting the U.S. commitment to strengthening security partnerships in the region. Botswana's current fleet of C-130B aircraft had faced operational challenges. The new C-130H fills this gap, enhancing mission readiness for the Botswana Defense Force. This move underscores the enduring partnership between the US and Botswana, emphasizing their shared commitment to peace, security, and prosperity in the region. The C-130 Hercules is set to play a crucial role in supporting Botswana's defense and humanitarian objectives for years to come.